Good morning, team. Today we will demonstrate how to clean, rinse, and refill the coffee grinds on our machine here at Fitch. We take the key first, open the compartment up, and we have our pitcher, which we will put underneath the water spouts. We will then go to the inside panel where we will start the process. We'll press this button here, which will activate the signs in the front. As you see, auto rinse has come up. We press that once, hit rinse. This process will be done twice, so this ensures the water coming out. As you see the machine getting ready, you make sure to check that all three tubes have water coming out. While we do this, you see all three waters coming out. We have a brush here as well that we use to clean all the spout tops. Make sure nothing is clogged. You can look inside, see if anything is backed up. This is fine. We also take away any residue with the little brush. Make sure it's clear. It is. We come back around, we'll do the second rinse again. Now once the second rinse is complete, we will go check the coffee grinds on the top. While we're doing this, we check the filter, make sure it's full to where it should be and it's not empty. And we'll proceed after that to the top to check the coffee grinds. As you see, all three lines, the water's coming out clean. As we remove the pitcher, make sure we clean the lower. Empty out the pitcher into the sink. And now we prepare to check the coffee grinds. Before we do that, we'll also check this area here, where sometimes buildup can occur around the sides. We can take the brush, come over as you see, brush away any residue as up here. Take the shield, make sure you put it back up properly. So that nothing comes forward. We go up now to check the coffee grinds. We open the top lid. Look up at the coffee grinds. As you see, some may need to be refilled. We'll get the coffee bags and refill accordingly. Once they are filled, we close the lid again. Make sure everything is well. Remove the ladder. Come across here to the front. Go to the reset button. Hit reset weight spin. It comes to 0. Press the exit mode and the screen goes back to where it is. And we close the machine with the latch. And we're done.
Thank you very much.